So, HP SSD 700 s700 2.5 250 gigabyte. I'm assuming this video will not be very long, so let's get to it so you can move on to the next video you'd like to watch. Oh geez, that's painful. Alright, got this at Staples. They were just marked down. And congratulations, that's it. Drive. Book. But the text is probably too small for me to read. Screws. Bag of screws. Exciting times in the world of Hewlett-Packard. But I got it for a good price, $34.99. It was actually mismarked. It was actually on sale for $34.99 a few weeks ago. The sign was still up. I'm going to be putting this in an older laptop just to help speed it up. No big deal. Nothing too important. Thank you for watching.